Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 7. Ordering drinks.
May I take your drink order while you are looking over your menu?
Yes, do you have a wine list?
The wine list is on the second page of your menu.
Do you have mixed drinks in this restaurant?
Yes, we have a full bar here.
I am not sure what I want. Do you have any house specials?
Actually, we are famous for our Cuervo Gold margaritas.
That sounds good. Please bring me one of those.
Would you like the drink blended or on the rocks?
I would like it blended.
Would you like it with salt or no salt?
I would like my margarita with no salt. Thank you.
While you are thinking about what you might like to order for dinner, would you like to order your drinks?
Can you tell me where your wine list is?
The wine list is posted right there on the board.
Can we order a mixed drink in this restaurant?
Yes, we have a wide selection of mixed drinks available from our bar.
Do you have any house specials that you could recommend?
Our most popular drinks are our Cuervo Gold margaritas.
That sounds like a good choice for me. May I have one, please?
Can I bring that to you on the rocks, or would you like it blended?
Please bring it to me on the rocks.
Salt or no salt?
I would like it with no salt, please.
Can I take your drink order?
Where's your wine list?
The wine choices are posted on the little menu in the middle of the table.
Do you have any mixed drinks available here?
We can make a number of mixed drinks at our bar.
I heard that you are famous for your drinks. What are your specials?
Our house special is our Cuervo Gold margarita.
I would love a margarita right now. That is what I am going to order.
Can I prepare your drink on the rocks, or would you prefer it blended?
I prefer my margarita on the rocks, please.
Do you like your margarita with salt or no salt?
No salt, please.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.